So Google's working on another foldable phone, but this time they're working on a flippable phone. And I'll be honest with you, I've said this before about Oppo. I said this before. Oh, sorry, Oppo. I said this before about OnePlus. Eventually, everyone is gonna get into a flippable phone type market. It's only really a matter of time. In reality, these are very cheap to manufacture when it comes to profit margins, and also, of course, they're very easy to market because instead of marketing an $1,800 beast, you're marketing a $1,000 or less than $1,000 phone right here. Now, based on what we understand that Google was actually going to release a flippable version with the Google Pixel Fold right here. But the reason why they did not was because they could not perfect it in time for it to come out, with the Google Pixel Fold. And they didn't want to take a chance of, completely flopping and risk hurting their Google Pixel Fold by releasing both phones at the exact same time. They actually scrapped a whole entire phone because it wasn't up to their standards for the Google Pixel Fold to be launched with. Smart thinking too, because the foldable phone industry in general is already kind of shaky for a lot of people. So avoiding any type of risk as much as possible is probably your best bet to do. Now, it's going to be interesting. It really will be, because this will be the direct competitor to, obviously, the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Right now, the direct competitor is Motorola, which they still make really great phones, especially with their brand new Razr and Razr Plus. But this will be another kind of competitor in that race. And if we see even more companies join this, flippable phone market, whether it is eventually Microsoft, obviously it could be, Google, Oppo, not Oppo, because Oppo already has the Find N3 Flip. Eventually OnePlus. We're gonna see this market really take off, and I would not be surprised if eventually down the line Apple does join this market. Right now they're not gonna join, and apparently they have no idea or thoughts about joining this market. But I really feel like that's because of the fact it's not as successful as it could be. And obviously, the more, big dogs in the race, the more successful this whole industry will become for a flippable phone market. So, I'm excited about this. Now, the whole reason why this is being talked about is because of this. There was a mention, the mention publication suggests that through code of the latest version of the Pixel Buds app, a new unannounced and entirely unknown Pixel device has been revealed. In fact, the device is listed under the codename Comet, which is quite different than the typically used for Pixel devices. For example, Pixel 8 devices have been named based on dog breeds, which is rumored to be the upcoming Pixel 9 device will be associated with the name of reptiles. So this is why people are thinking that there's going to be a Pixel Flip. When would this come out, if it does come out? Well, we haven't really seen any leaks about it or information, so probably sometime next year. It wouldn't be anytime this year, and to be honest, probably all forget about it, and then eventually it would just be like, whoa, Google Pixel Flip is here. Something like that, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.